eat it, they'll be like, say what? It's vegan? So yeah. Hey guys, it's your girl, Chef Joya, and welcome back to Say What? It's Vegan. Today we're doing something that is going to be good for these cold winter months, and it's a staple in almost every home. We're gonna make my version of vegan Southern chicken and dumplings. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start off by adding a little bit of olive oil to my large pot, and then I'm also gonna mix that with some vegan butter. Why? Because I want to. Next, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our veggies. So we're gonna use some celery, and I love celery. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some onions that somebody else cut up. Look at me saving time. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegan shredded chicken. I'm gonna add a little bit of vegan Worcestershire sauce to it. Thank goodness we have golden chick, which is made for marked poultry. Even if you're not vegan, you'll love this on your poultry items. But this is gonna give me all the flavor. It has all my herbs that I need for it. And it also has anything that you could think of when you're seasoning like vegan turkey, chicken, any of that nature. So we're gonna definitely use a lot of this now. So we're gonna add some vegan chicken bouillon to this. And we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies to it. Now, if you have fresh carrots, you can definitely go ahead and use fresh carrots. But I like these peas and diced carrots that's already in a bag, that's frozen. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to our mix. Now, I know some people, grandmas, don't put peas and carrots in it. If your grandma don't do it, don't put it in there. I ain't trying to have nobody mad around the holidays. Just don't put the peas and carrots in it. I just like the peas and carrots, okay? Next, we're gonna go ahead and add our cream of coconut. And don't worry about if you don't like the taste of coconut, baby, with all these seasons here, it does not taste like coconut at all. We're gonna add about 6 cups of water. The thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is add a little bit of vegetable bouillon. Yes, I use the chicken bouillon, but that was for the chicken. This is for the actual stock of the soup. Is it a soup? What is chicken and dumplings? Chicken dumplings and soup? I don't know. It's something. So we're gonna go ahead and get this covered, and then we're gonna start on our dumplings. Now, dumplings are super easy. It's really just milk and flour, but I like to add a little bit extra because that's just Chef Joya. Y'all should know me by now, right? So we're gonna go ahead and start off by seasoning. Yes, we're gonna use golden chick. Now, if you have just magic, which you do if you got golden chick, you got just magic. You can use either one of those, but I wanna go ahead and use my golden chick for this as well. So we're gonna season our flour because we don't want any ball head flour. There's nothing worse than having gummy, unseasoned flour in your soup, okay? Add some unsweetened plant-based milk. You can use any kind you like. Add that to it, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of lemon juice in it. Now, technically, you wanna make your buttermilk, a vegan buttermilk, is by using like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar on the side, let it curdle, but I do what I want. And then next, I'm gonna add some vegan butter to it. All right, so now we're gonna give this a nice little mix around. And for your dumplings, make sure you use self-rising flour. That is not all-purpose flour. You need that baking powder effect. If you don't have self-rising flour, but you have baking powder and some all-purpose flour, go ahead and mix those two together, and you got your self-rising flour. All right, so now that this is at a nice boil, you can smear everything. We're gonna go ahead and add our dumplings to it. Now I'm gonna use a smaller scoop because I'm big on texture. And if you don't have an ice cream scooper, please just go ahead and use a spoon and add it to it. So we're gonna add our dumplings, and I like a lot of dumplings, guys, all right? So I'm gonna pop those in here. And also, you gotta remember too, when you put the dough inside the liquid, it's going to swell, okay? So be a little conscious on the size you make them, all right? And try to space them out originally when you put them in there, just so they don't stick to each other. Now that our chicken and dumplings are done, we are getting ready to put it in a bowl, baby. Look at this, it's so good. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and add this. And like I told y'all, I like a lot of dumplings. I wanted to make sure I had some dumplings in every scoop. All right, it automatically thickens up because the flour from the dumpling mixture helps it thicken up, and it's absolutely delicious. Girl. Listen, y'all families are going to love you. If they don't love you, they're gonna love you for the holidays, okay? Holy crap, this is phenomenal. Like listen, can somebody give me a food vocabulary dictionary book so I can describe the goodness that my food gives, because I'm running out of words. So everything has no words. This is ridiculously good. This is insanely good. It's 100% vegan. It's gonna be the best chicken and dumplings you've ever had. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm Chef Joya, and I'll see you next time on Say What Is Vegan. Ciao. Ciao. Burn my mouth with so good.